Today we're gonna be reviewing a 2-pack tea strainer. Here's what comes in the box. You got the tea strainer, very nice. You got the 2-pack, they sent me for the review. They're made out of 304 stainless steel. Comes with a really nice aluminum tray where you can put your tea strainers when you're done, so they can get all the water or the excess in there, and you won't have it everywhere. You can see they're made out of 304 stainless steel. Has a little refined hexagon holes that you can barely see. That's how small they are, so not a lot of residue will come out, if any. The bottom, the inside, and the top. It comes with a little chain. It will make it easy to take out of your teapots or your cups or anywhere that you're gonna put them in. So it has a hook that will make it easy for you to take out whatever you put it on to make your tea. This gets really secure, so you can tie it and you rest assured nothing's gonna come out. You can put leaves or tea bags, so you don't have to only use the tea bags or just the leaves. You can put any of them. You can do with coffee too. So let's put it to the test and see how it works. Here's a closer look, a different view. You see the hexagon's shape, and then you see all the little holes, like really tiny holes that you can barely see it. But if you can see it from here, you can see through it. So they're really tiny, nothing's gonna come in or come out of it. It has another look of the little tray, super nice. The top, or to get it to work or to use it, you just put your tea bag in there and then you tighten it. Sure it's not gonna come out. So here's the final product.